This is SharonB, LifeBySharonB. I've got fresh remote and hybrid jobs you can apply for today. Some require BCBA certification, others are entry-level, and all of them are hiring right now. Let's get into it. Job 1: Action Behavior Centers, AZ Hybrid BCBA. Action Behavior Centers is hiring for a hybrid board-certified behavior analyst, BCBA, role in Queen Creek or Phoenix, Arizona. Pay ranges from $86,500 to $122,000 a year, with loan repayment, CEU assistance, health insurance, and 401k matching. Perfect if you're certified and want flexible hybrid work. Link is in the description. Job 2: Remote Spanish-Speaking BCBA, Answers Now. Answers Now has a fully remote BCBA role for Spanish-English bilinguals. Pay is $90,000 a year, with a $10,000 retention bonus after 12 months. This is a great opportunity to use bilingual skills while working from home anywhere in the US. Links are below. Job 3: Hybrid BCBA roles, Stepping Stones and Track Therapy. There are also multiple hybrid BCBA roles available. Stepping Stones Group, California, $85,000 to $105,000 annually. Track Therapy Research, Michigan, part-time, remote/hybrid, $45 as $65 an hour. Job 4: Remote Talent Advisor at Action Behavior Centers. If you're not BCBA certified, here's another path. Action Behavior Centers is also hiring for a remote contract talent advisor role. Pay is around $60,000 to $75,000 a year, with monthly bonuses and full benefits. This is more of a recruiting/HR role, but still remote and solid pay. Job 5: Entry-Level Behavior Technician, AZ. For those just starting out, entry-level jobs like Registered Behavior Technician, RBT, or Autism Support Professional are hiring in Arizona cities like Phoenix and Chandler. These roles start at $15.50 to $28 an hour with paid training and strong growth opportunities. Quick break to thank today's sponsor, Black Girl Vitamins. I use their beauty bundle. It includes hair, skin and nails, vitamin D3, and collagen peptides with 9 grams of protein and 0 carbs. It's made by us, for us. You can grab it with my code SharonB45 for 20% off, plus you'll be supporting my channel. Link is in the description. All of these jobs are linked in the description. Comment below which one you're applying to and where you're from so we can connect opportunities across different states and countries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll keep dropping new job leads daily.
We are back with another work from home video. This time I have 2 opportunities for you that are in mental health administration that don't require a degree or a certification and that are high paying. So you should definitely stick around and go ahead and save this video right now. Company is Hazel Health and they have 2 positions. One is a mental health clinical support specialist and the other one is a mental health clinical operations coordinator. The mental health clinical support coordinator, you're basically a virtual medical assistant in the telehealth space. You will need to have fluency or the ability to communicate in Spanish. And prior experience in a clinical environment, 1 to 2 years is preferred. So basically, if you worked in a medical office system, if you supported providers, had anything to do with scheduling, any of that stuff, you would qualify for this job. And this job does have state restrictions, so you want to make sure that you are reading the job description. There's about 30 states that they do hire in. And the pay for this job is between $24.50 and $29 per hour. So the next position is a mental health clinical operations coordinator. You will be responsible for clinician onboarding, also managing their schedules, invoice reconciliation, and you will need to be proficient with Google Workspace, EHR systems, scheduling platforms, and project management tools. This job does not require a degree or a certification and it pays between $29 and $34 per hour. Okay, y'all, so you have both of the jobs. The company again is Hazel Health, and if you need your resume optimized before applying to these jobs, go ahead and click the link in my bio. I have a 24-hour turnaround time for the next 2 days, so go ahead and get that submitted tonight if you can, and I will work on that for you so that you can apply for these jobs, because they are definitely not going to last long. If you click the link in my bio and you go to my job board, which is the very first button, these 2 job opportunities will be under today's date of 7/21/25. Make sure that you apply like right now.
I wanted to put y'all on these work from home job spotlight. This is with Headspace Health. Some of you may know it as Ginger, but they are looking for an online behavioral health coach. Now, they did mention that they're not currently interviewing, but when they do, this can put you ahead of the pack. If you go ahead and have your information there, that way when they do start interviewing, your information's already there. They can start moving along with the next process. Now, I'm not sure what the pay is because they did not have it included here, but here are some of the requirements. I was thinking that this is probably really good for my counselor friends, my social worker friends, especially if you don't have a license. Like, I have a master's in clinical mental health counseling, and I don't have a license. I stopped providing therapy probably like year 2. It just wasn't for me, but I still work in the mental health field doing other things though. But anyways, back to this job. So a minimum of 2 years of relevant experience, 6 months, which must have occurred under direct supervision. Master's degree in a psychology related field. So think psychology, counseling, social work, any of those, or a coaching program. Fluency in Google Suite. You'll be doing intakes. You'll be documenting. You'll be just following up with the clients, providing support services, because they are also hiring for therapists. So if you are interested, definitely check it out. I'll try to go ahead and link it in my bio for you under the work from home resources. So yeah, good luck.
Here's a remote job in the mental health care industry paying $50 to $60K with a 15% bonus. Let's take a look at it. Montre Health provides digital health to university students. They're hiring for a provider operations associate. This is a great job if you have experience in any of these, basically any healthcare or customer support or operations experience. And $50 to $60K up for you to negotiate that, and a 15% bonus. Just go to montrehealth.com, and I have free resources in my bio, resume template. Don't mess that up. Follow for more.
Today's remote job of the day comes from the company Lucet. They are hiring for temporary clinical support coordinators. These jobs pay between $20 and $23 per hour, and you do not need a degree to qualify. Make sure that you are following me. Hit that notification bell for when I go live, and always share these videos because you never know who is looking for a work from home job in healthcare. Also, join my Facebook group, the Work From Home Healthcare Collective, WFH Healthcare Collective. So this position was posted to date. As you can see, it is temporary until December 31st of 2025. Compensation is again between $20.50 and $23.50 per hour. They do offer incentives, health insurance, 401k, and etc. You will be responsible for providing administrative support for the clinical operations organization. Qualifications are, don't get scared, this is bachelor's degree in social work under required, but they give you another option. Or a high school diploma plus 3 years of experience in healthcare, managed care, and or customer setting. And this column says preferred, so we're not going to worry about that at all. What I will highlight is your knowledge in behavioral health or medical terminology. Make sure you add that to your resume. I'll go ahead and leave the link to this job in the comment section. Make sure that you are applying because this will not last long. And also follow for more.
Hi, it's your girl Bianca. So if you are tired of these low budgeting jobs, if you are looking for a high paying work from home career in the healthcare field, be sure to like, share, and save this video for your future job searches. I'm going to post them right here. There you go. So go ahead and save it. I hope this video helps someone. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or just simply comment on the video. Thank you.